You know, it is amazing to have a truck that is loaded with performance, but it's also fun when it looks great too. Fit, finish, details make the ride. We're here at Rolling Big Power in Southern California, going through boxes, everything shipping in, shipping out, the latest and greatest, something new. It's a detail that really takes an old look to a whole new level. It's a patent. You only find it here at Rolling Big Power. Take a look. The Rolling Big Power Fender Armour trim. Now, it's pretty straightforward. This looks really cool.
Yeah.
The thing I like about this part is that it, of course, you know, Rolling Big Power has thought of everything where it just plugs right in. This is like you can get this done in a day, no problem. By the way, this is my friend Kelly Ash. She's the Vice President, General Manager of Rolling Big Power, and also an engineer and a ASC certified master mechanic. Talking about somebody who knows their stuff.
Yep.
But I mean, you know, this is a real nice detail that's not as in your face. You get a beautiful truck like this, you don't want something that just screams at you, but you still want that aggressive stance.
Exactly.
What was the story behind this? I know there's this is a patented piece too, correct?
It is actually. So one of the things that we do at RBP, all of the feedback that our builders and our consumers give us, we actually listen to. And this is proof of that point. So we actually took from what our community told us, right, that they didn't want the gaudy, huge fender flare look, but they wanted something that is still aggressive, gives them that off-road look, protects their fenders just a little bit, and gives them that kind of just custom finish. And we created our Fender Armour fender trim from it. You know, this is made of TPS plastic, which basically just means that it flexes with the truck when you're putting it on. So you don't have to worry about it cracking or breaking when you're installing it. We include stainless steel rivets, don't have to worry about rust, and no drilling. It installs right in your OE holes in your fender. So no drilling, and installation is a snap.
Has the warranty too, which I like.
Yeah, lifetime warranty on this, no questions asked.
Here's what I love about this too, and a lot of people don't think about this unless you live in the southern portion of the country where your truck sits outside in the sun all day.
Yes.
This is gonna look the same way.
Exactly.
You've got the UVA protection, Fender Armour. Not only, you know, does it look cool, but it's gonna last, and it's easy to put on. That's what I love. So,
absolutely.
Look for your truck, your application online at rollingbigpower.com. And, oh, by the way, yes, if you're buying multiple things, if you're looking for multiple things for your truck, see if you qualify for a swag pack. This is very cool, and this is the lady who puts that together. What's in the swag pack right now? So
one of the things that we love at RBP is taking care of our customers, right? And the swag pack does that. So we include stainless steel badges for your truck or your toolbox. We include a hat, lanyard, decals, and some other small accessories. And then we also include a Tervis tumbler or Yeti tumbler, and then a registration card, so you can send us your size and color for your t-shirt or your hoodie.
That's why everybody's talking about it. Very cool stuff from Rolling Big Power. Find it now. Look for your truck's Fender Armour. Online right now at rollingbigpower.com.